can you tell us a little bit if you know anything about the team, Maccabi Rishon LeZion? You heard something about the team?
Yes, I see on the videos, and I see from my friends tell me what team is, what players, coach, and everything, and the results of this team. And I hope so. I will meet better if I stay here and sign contract and everything.
We heard you started the season in Metalurg Skopje that beat Maccabi Rishon a couple of years ago. Very good team.
I know.
And afterwards you got here. What happened there? Why are you here? Was that your first choice or?
I started in the Metalurg and then was problems with money, a little bit this, and I go home and play in the Serbia, in my city, and also his problem with money and everything. And I look for the team, new team, and I come here, and Maccabi want to see me if is everything okay with me, I'm not injured or something, and we'll see. Played in Germany, in Spain, and Slovenia, and I play 11 years Europe, Champions League, Cup, EHF. I play finals, semi-finals, and win championships, and I hope so. And I think I need only to prepare my physical condition, and I think I will play like last 10 years. Depend of kind of team against whom you play, you know. And if I need to play for the team, I will play for the team. If team need the shot, the goals, always, I will get that. I play second, third. In the defense, and what coach need, I will play.
Okay, so anyway, we wish you very good luck for that to be only the first interview for you, and definitely not the last in Maccabi Rishon, as we're going to see your first practice now. Thank you, and good luck.